Hello everyone. We are live now. It's 5 p.m. Who all are there? Please type your name so I come to know that you are there because I'm not able to see you all because I'm live from StreamYard today. Let me check my charts. Who all are there? Can everyone type your name? Okay, Poonamji is there. Can everyone type your name? And I'm not able to see the chat and messages. Okay. So, here are the comments. Just a second. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Can you all type your name? Because Sheetal has typed her name. I'm not able to see because you all have to give your name. StreamYard doesn't allow you all to doesn't show me your name. Nirmala ji, great. So, who all did their exercises for tomorrow? Because I have some names, those who are regular and doing it and submitting it. Welcome Pooja ji, Poonam ji, Kanchan, Falguni ji, Gandhi, Ju, Vanita Soni ji, Anju, Shraddha ji, Anchal, Atre. They all have submitted. So congratulations for the second step also. Those who are submitting later, that's why their name is not there. But when I'm announcing that those who have submitted everyone, I'll be putting it tomorrow morning around 11. Those who are submitting their assignments after this session also, the day 2 will be announced by morning tomorrow 11. Okay. So how are you feeling everyone? Nanda ji, welcome. How are you feeling everyone? कैसा लग रहा है आप सबको 2 दिन एक्सरसाइज करके? हाउ इज योर मिरर फ्रेंड नाउ? कैसा है आपका फ्रेंड? Please type your names because StreamYard doesn't allow me to doesn't show me your names, so I'm not able to see who is there right now. Okay, so yesterday, first day we started with I want to love. Then we started on the day 2, I'm willing to love. And I really love myself. Now today, day 3, what are we going to do? We are going to do something very special. What's that special thing? We are going to find out something which we have been doing from a long time, which we are not aware how to hold it. हम आज ऐसी चीजों को देखेंगे जो आज तक हम करते आए हैं लेकिन हमें पता नहीं है कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं और हम उसको किस तरह से चेंज कर सकते हैं. ओके, so what will be the affirmation for today? Any guesses? Welcome Anju ji, Bhavna ji, Shilpa ji. Very positive ma'am, filled with new energy and vigor. Awesome start to the new month. Great, great. Tell me, what do you feel when I say we are going to do something very challenging, which we are been doing it, something different we are going to do it today? Do anyone have any guesses? What will be the day 3 today? And there is something very special which is keeping you started and keeping you motivated to do all the exercises which you have been doing right now. So for the day 3, we are going to release. Is my voice clear? Because I think I'm shouting. So what are we going to do? We are going to make a more bond nearer to our mirror. We are going to create something more closer to our mirror friend. So who all are very close to your mirror now? Who feel that ki I'm very comfortable with mirror now. I can talk as many times, or I can, whenever I want, I can talk to it. मैं जब भी चाहती हूँ या चाहता हूँ तब मैं उन मिरर से बात कर सकता हूँ. Who all feel कि 2 दिन में मिरर मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड बन गया है? Do you all feel so? I feel it. So here today we are going to take one step ahead and we are going to release the pains, the negative beliefs, the negative, which we call it as a negative self-talk. We are going to monitor our self-talk. What does monitoring self-talk means? Monitoring self-talk means आपके दिन भर में, your whole day, there is one thought where it says, you are not good enough, you cannot do this, you are not worthy, you are not able to do anything in your life, you are a dumb, you are a waste, you are a headache to me, you cannot do anything in your life. Have you all heard any one of y'all these sentences anytime? This can be heard by you, by your people who admire you. You admire them, like your parents, because they are a person you always look at, a authority figure, like your parents, like your teachers, like your elders, anyone in your home. You feel that they have the authority, because we also, after a period of time, when after we come at that age, we also feel that authority to take it. So we have that belief. So the same belief you have heard by them. Yes, by them. Is your negative self-talk. You need to monitor whenever you try to do some work, whenever you start some work, or you are on the halfway, there is a voice inside you. You cannot do it. You don't have the capability to handle it. Have you all heard these sentences anytime in your life? From your childhood, from your father figure, from your mother figure, from your teachers? Is anyone there who have heard all these sentences? You never do this properly. You cannot make it. You cannot reach it. You don't have the manners only. So, why don't you keep these things in proper place? Don't you know it? These are the sentences where you must have heard from your parents, maybe from your authority figure, जहाँ पर you feel that these persons are important in your life. So check it out. What, when have you heard it? Now, what you need to do? Okay, so here are some those who are mentioning that yes, I am. So, what we need to do? We need to figure it out. What are the negative beliefs? What are the negative beliefs? We have to figure it out. What we will be doing? What we will be doing today on the day 3, we are going to monitor our self-talk, where whenever there is a word or a sentence, you are going to write it down. Suppose the sentence is that you are not capable of, you are not worthy, and you cannot do anything. You are never good at any work. You are a headache. You have to replace that statement with a positive statement. In front of that, you have to write it: I am capable to do this work. I'll repeat it again. I am capable to do this work. I can. Suppose your boss says in the office, you cannot handle, you don't have the talent to do it. I can handle everything with ease. I can handle everything with ease. This way, each and every sentence which is popping up in your mind as a negative, it is not a task that you are going to sit totally and do it. Whenever after meditating, when you are doing it, you get the time, you have to write it down and then put the positive sentences in front of that. One will be negative, one side will be the positive sentences. Now, what you need to do? Now we are going to do the meditation part over here. What will be the meditation? Let me explain it in Hindi. For it will take 2 minutes. जहां पर आपको लगता है कि आपने बचपन से सुना है कि कुछ भी काम का नहीं हो, तुम कोई भी काम ढंग से नहीं कर सकते हो, तुम अच्छे नहीं हो, तुम्हें कोई अकल नहीं है, तो आपको एक किताब में लेके आपको ये सारे नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस, जो भी आपको आपके नकारात्मक, जो आपने अपने, जिसे हम ऐसे लगता है कि हम जिनको मानते हैं, जो हमसे बड़े हैं, हमें लगता है हमेशा कि मुझे उनके जैसा बनना है, तो हम उनकी फिगर हमारे में लेते हैं और उनके बोले हुए शब्द हमारे कानों में अंदर हमारे बिलीव्स में बन जाते हैं। तो हमें वैसे सेंटेंसेस को पकड़ना है कि आप अभी भी जो काम करते हो, उस समय पे आपका एक एक बार एक क्लिक होता है जहां पर आपको एक सेंटेंस आता है, मैं ये नहीं कर सकती हूँ, तुम में अक्ल नहीं है, या तुम कोई काम की नहीं हो, तो आपको उसको रिप्लेस करके पॉजिटिव में बोलना है। आई मैं ये कर सकती हूँ, मैं अपना सब कुछ अच्छे से ध्यान रख सकती हूँ, मैं सारा काम बहुत अच्छे से संभाल सकती हूँ। तो आपको अपने ही सेंटेंसेस को प्रॉपरली पॉजिटिव, नकारात्मक एंड सकारात्मक दोनों को एक जगह पे लिखना है। नकारात्मक के सामने ही आपका पॉजिटिव सकारात्मक सेंटेंस रहेगा। ओके, अब आते हैं हम मिरर एक्सरसाइज में। मिरर एक्सरसाइज में हमें क्या करना है? मिरर एक्सरसाइज में सेम हमें टेक अ डीप लॉन्ग ब्रेथ and stand in front of the mirror, breathe out, and then see in the mirror and talk to that mirror. And you need to say that whatever I say to myself, whatever, I will say it with love. मैं जो भी खुद को बोलूंगी, मैं अपने आप को प्यार से बोलूंगी। Again, once again, I repeat it. Whatever I say to myself, I will say with love. Now, you have to repeat this sentence again and again. बार बार आपको उसको रिपीट करना है जब तक आपको उसकी फीलिंग नहीं लगे कि आप अपने आप को बहुत प्यार करें। आप उसको 5 मिनट तक इस बार कंटिन्यूस करेंगे। पहले हमने जितनी देर हुआ उतनी देर हमने मिरर में स्टार्ट किया। कल हमने 100 टाइम्स लिया था एंड आज हमें कंटिन्यूस 5 मिनट तक 5 मिनट्स आपको ये सेंटेंस मिरर में देख के, कांच में देख के, आई थिंक सो अभी मुझे बताने की जरूरत नहीं है कि आपको मिरर में ऐसे खड़े होके आपको देखना है और आपको उसको रिपीट करना है। नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन यू फील कि आपको लग रहा है कि यू आर स्टूपिड और यू आर नॉट गुड इनफ, आपको वो सेंटेंसेस को रिप्लेस करना है। आपको बोलना है कि मैं बहुत अच्छी हूं, मैं समझदार हूं। आपको सब सेंटेंसेस को पॉजिटिव में डालना है। नाउ व्हाट विल वी डू? बिकॉज हमारे अंदर जो हमारे शब्दों का जो हमने प्रयोग किया है, the words we have used till now is totally making our life what we are now today. Understand, the words what you are using today is the person you are today. You have to be very careful whenever the words come. Do you know, I have so many life examples when we say use your words very properly. A single word from your mouth is creating your destiny. Anything happening to you is created by you. But what happens is we don't believe it. We say, this is not created by me. That person did for me. नहीं नहीं, उसने ऐसा किया। Remember, आपके शब्द, आपकी वाणी, आपके मुख से निकला हुआ एक एक शब्द आपकी किस्मत बनाता है। आपके साथ जो हो रहा है और जो होने वाला है वो आप अपने शब्दों का प्रयोग जो करते हो उसके कारण है। हम विश्वास नहीं करते हैं कि मैंने बोला और ऐसा हो गया। नहीं, ये उस पर्सन ने ऐसा बोला था और ये ऐसा हो गया। नाउ अंडरस्टैंड द लॉजिक। What happens when someone says in front of you कि you are not good enough? You keep on repeating that sentence again and again. How dare that person tell me I'm not good enough? Am I not good enough? क्या मैं इतना भी अच्छा नहीं हूं? You will confirm with two persons. Why did that person say me? क्या मैं ऐसा नहीं हूं? क्या मैं अच्छा नहीं हूं? मैंने क्या ऐसा गलत किया? You will go and talk to 10 people and ask to give them proof that you are good enough because you don't believe yourself. Am I right? Are you able to see and connect yourself? Here, someone has said that my mom has said once that I am not doing things in proper sequence. So just affirm the sentence into a positive one that you are brilliant and able to handle everything properly. Understand this, the logic behind your words. Your words are magic. आपके शब्दों में जान है। आप जो बोल रहे हो वो आपकी किस्मत बना रहा है। Let me share you one example. 7 years before, I was just having a walk in my garden below in the building, and suddenly there was a boy who was climbing up on the tanki tank upside with the stairs, and the watchman behind this ran and told him, "Don't climb, you will fall down." Within a second, within a second, the boy fell down. Do you notice the words have so much power within you? Let's take a different new example where everyone must have seen it. आपने सभी ने देखा होगा छोटे बच्चे को हमारे घर में चलते हुए, दौड़ते हुए। हम उन बच्चों के साथ में क्या शब्द का प्रयोग करते हैं? जब वो बच्चा चलना सीखता है, अरे भाग मत, तू गिर जाएगा, दौड़ मत, अरे गिरेगा गिरेगा गिरेगा। See the words we are using. We are teaching the child to fall down. गिरना सिखा रहे हैं उस बच्चे को हम बार बार। हमने उस बच्चे के अंदर गिरने के लिए तैयार कर दिया कि तू गिरेगा तो ही तू सीखेगा। तू गिर और गिर। You should know that the words have so much power that we are creating that words and there's something is happening in front of us. Do you remember your saying to your child, पढ़ोगे नहीं तो क्या मार्क्स लाओगे? तुम पढ़ते ही नहीं हो दिन भर, क्या करोगे पढ़ के? तुम में अक्ल ही नहीं है, तुम तो बेकार में टाइम खराब कर रहे हो. Remember your words. These are the words your child will be getting a belief, and they will be something called a statement in their mind called a negative self talk, which they will be doing for a lifetime. So, do this exercise and let's break the chain of creating a negative self talk within ourselves. Now, what do we need to? Sometimes feeling complex if not done properly. You don't need to feel complex when nothing is done properly. Accept that. Accept it. Remember, acceptance is the biggest thing you can gift yourself. Then, yes, ma'am, I feel dull and demotivated when someone says that. Now you need to change your perspective. अपना देखने का नजरिया बदलिए. आप अपना नजरिया बदलिए, दुनिया अपना नजरिया बदलेगी. So beautiful it is said. Everything is said by our ancestors. Everything is said by our elders properly. So let's do this exercise, and now let's go to our meditation part. So who all are there in meditation? Who all are doing it with me right now? And who all are doing it? Just type me. When you are writing that I always accept and adjust the situations, it's fine. But is there a negative self-talk? आपको ये समझना है, आपने एक्सेप्टेंस ले ली है, बट मन ही मन में आपके चल रहा है, क्या मेरा ही काम है? क्या मैं ही हूं एक अकेली? कोई और नहीं कर सकता है? Remember, these are the negative self-talk you keep on doing with yourself again and again, always and always. Okay, so we have so many of them because I'm not able to see the name. So Shilpa is there, Anju is there, Nirmala ji is there, I think so. There are many, but I'm not able to see. Falguni ji is there. Okay, so let's start with the meditation part. Now, today what do you need to do? What do you need to do? You are, after the meditation, I'll be giving you a list of 3 questions like same what I gave yesterday. I have posted in the Facebook group. You will be getting it after this session. And the 3 questions you have to, after your meditation, you have to write it down. Okay, so let's jump to the meditation part. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. I'm doing one thing more. I'm recording it in the phone also. I'll try to put it in the group, the same meditation, because many are asking that I'm not getting the meditation. Close your eyes. Sit in a comfortable position and see yourself at one place where you feel very comfortable, where no one is there to disturb you. And now, slowly start taking a deep, long breath till your navel. Hold for 4 counts. One, two, three, four. Breathe out from your mouth. Again, take a deep, long breath till your navel. Hold for 4 counts. One, two, three, four. Breathe out from your mouth. Again, take a deep, long breath till your navel. Hold for 4 counts. One, two, three, four. Breathe out from your mouth. Now, see yourself in a house, your old house, and see your authority persons whom you see, whom you believe upon. See them. What are the sentences they have told you? What are the words they have told you, which is not letting you take steps ahead? See those things and say to yourself, I deserve the best. I deserve the best. Now, see yourself and start watching your whole body. Start scanning your whole body. Wherever there is a pain, keep your hand over it. Wherever there is a pain, keep your hand over there. And say to that pain, I love you. I love you. I love you. Now see a green light coming from your crown chakra. Above your head, a green light is entering your body, and the green light is moving and flowing like a water in your whole body. Let this green light absorb and merge in your body. See yourself totally comfortable and now there is a voice which is saying, I'm healed. I am healed. I am healed. And use the affirmation by saying loudly, I release all the negative messages from the past. I release all the negative messages from the past. I live in the present moment. And now absorb it by saying, I live in the present moment. 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 Surround yourself with a green circle. Surround yourself with a green circle. And let the green light cover your whole aura. Be comfortable. Be comfortable. By repeating this affirmation, I live in the present moment. I live in the present moment. See yourself smiling. See yourself smiling. Give a smile to yourself. And now focus on the pain where you had holded your hand. Just pamper and give a love over there. Just pamper that part and give a love over there. Be comfortable and take a deep, long breath, saying to yourself, live in the present moment. I live in the present moment. I live in the present moment. Slowly, steadily open your eyes. Slowly, steadily open your eyes. And as you complete your meditation, you have to open your journal and write the three questions what are asked. What are the three questions asked? The first question is, what is the negative story today? Write down how many times you have repeated it, and how many people have told you. Now, write down how many people have told you. Write down something positive you can tell those people tomorrow. That will help you feel better, more better, and more better. And write down the word should. I'll explain the importance of word should. And next to it, make a list of words you are going to use instead of it. And post the affirmations positive, whatever you are creating new for your own self. These three are the assignments for you which you need to submit. Thank you so much. So now there are three questions you are going to do for yourself. Is it clear? Did you repeat a negative story today? Check that out. Write down about those negative words which are repeated by the people to you again and again. आपको वो शब्द लिखने हैं जो आपको लोग बोलते आ रहे हैं आपके बारे में नकारात्मक. एंड ऐसी क्या स्टोरी है जो आपने बार बार अपने बारे में सुनी है. इसके सामने आपको पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट लिखने हैं और पॉजिटिव वर्ड्स लिखने हैं. अब मैं आपको बताती हूँ ये शुड मतलब क्या होता है. शुड आई डू दिस, शुड आई गो अहेड एंड टेक दिस टास्क. यह हमारा शुड है ना, ये हमें कहीं पे आगे नहीं बढ़ने देता है. सो शुड के बदले जो सामने आपका सेंटेंस है उसके आगे हमेशा हमेशा आपका शुड लगता है. तो शुड को आपको चेंज करके आपको शुड के आगे आपको रिप्लेस करना है. व्हाट डू यू वांट टू रिपीट? प्लीज कैन यू टेल मी? What do you want me to repeat? Can you tell me? मुझे जरा बताएंगे तो मैं रिपीट करके कि आपको ये एक्सरसाइज को आपको करना है. आपको लिखना है अपने बारे में जो आपके लिए नेगेटिव नकारात्मक आपके लिए बोला गया है उसको आपको पॉजिटिव में लिखना है एंड आपको उसके सामने रिप्लेस करना है. शुड का मतलब होता है आपने एक सेंटेंस लगा दिया कि मैं ये शायद कर सकती हूं क्या नहीं. शुड मतलब विल आई बी एबल टू डू और नॉट. तो आपने ये एक क्वेश्चन मार्क लगा दिया खुद के ऊपर. सो आपको वो क्वेश्चन मार्क को शुड को आपको हटा के आपको सिर्फ पॉजिटिव रखना है. यस आई कैन डू दिस. आपको रिप्लेस करना है अपने अफर्मेशंस को विद द पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट्स, विद द पॉजिटिव वर्ड्स. तो आप सब अपनी लिस्ट को पोस्ट करेंगे. आपने जो अपने नए अफर्मेशंस बनाए हैं वो भी आप ग्रुप में पोस्ट करेंगे, ताकि आपके पॉजिटिव अफर्मेशंस शायद किसी के लिए एक मोटिवेशन बन जाए। आप किसको मोटिवेट कर सकते हो लाइफ में, और कितनी खुशी मिलती है जब आप किसी को मोटिवेट करते हो। सो आप अपने अफर्मेशंस डालेंगे, वो किसी और के अफर्मेशंस बन के आपको ब्लेसिंग्स देंगे, बिकॉज दैट पर्सन मस्ट बी नॉट अवेयर कि उसको ये चाहिए था। सो हेल्प ईच एंड एवरी वन, बी दैट वन पर्सन, become that one unique person you should be. मैंने यहां पर you should be बोला है. Did you hear my sentence? should नहीं बनना है आपको, you have to be. So everyone, do you have any questions, or just we end this session? I think so. I have recorded the meditation. I'll try to post it in the WhatsApp group and the Telegram group, so you all can do easily the meditation separately with your own comfort. Okay, you want me to repeat the questions? Just a second. The questions are, did you repeat a negative story today? क्या आपने अपने बारे में एक नकारात्मक स्टोरी सुनी है? मैं ये नहीं कर सकती हूँ, या मुझे ये काम नहीं आता है। जो भी आपकी नकारात्मक स्टोरी आपके दिमाग में चलती है, ये किसी ने आपको बोल दिया कि ये कोई काम की नहीं है, तो इसको काम नहीं आता है, आपकी नकारात्मक स्टोरी आपने कोई आज सुनी है अभी तक, उसको आपको लिखना है। और उसके बाद में आपने कितनी बार सुनी है, या कितनी चीजें सुनी है और डिफरेंट नेगेटिव अपने बारे में बार बार, वो लिखना है। उसके सामने आपको पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट लिखने हैं। This is the first two questions. Third question is, आप जो अपने बारे में शुड लगाते हो, क्या मैं ये कर सकती हूँ? क्या शायद मेरे ये काम आएगा? Should I go for it? Should I do this? तो आपको उन स्टेटमेंट्स के सामने yes I can do it, yes मैं कर सकती हूँ, आपको उन स्टेटमेंट्स को वहां पर रखना है। ये क्वेश्चंस मैं ग्रुप में डाल रही हूँ फेसबुक में अभी। आई थिंक सो विद इन 5 minutes देयर द क्वेश्चंस विल बी अपलोडेड, बिकॉज दे आर शेड्यूल्ड। सो डू दिस एक्सरसाइज, सबमिट देम, बिकॉज सबमिट करके आप अगर एक्सरसाइज करते हो और असाइनमेंट्स देते हो, फायदा आपका होने वाला है, बदलाव आप में आने वाला है, बेनिफिट्स आपको मिलने वाले हैं, चेंज आप में आने वाला है। तो इसीलिए जब तक आप लिखोगे नहीं, स्टिल आई एम सीइंग इन द ग्रुप कि काफी जन सिर्फ लिख के डाल रहे हैं, दे आर नॉट डूइंग इट लिख के जर्नल पे नहीं कर रहे हैं। द रिजल्ट्स विल बी 1/4. So getting the best and best of it, start writing in journal and take a screenshot उसका और वो अपलोड कर दीजिए। काफी सिंपल है, नहीं आता है, आपके घर में बच्चे होंगे, उनको बोलिए वो लोग अपलोड कर दें, बिकॉज एवरीबडी यूजेस, दे नो हाउ टू अपलोड द पिक्चर्स। एंड प्लीज आई रिक्वेस्ट, डोंट सेंड मी पर्सनल मैसेजेस, बिकॉज अगर सभी का पर्सनल मैसेज में मैं रिप्लाई करने लगूं, हर एक की एक्सरसाइज को मैं चेक करने लगूं, इट वोंट बी पॉसिबल। I don't want to tell no to anyone, but please understand, put it in the group, because I and my team can check it anytime. So thank you so much everyone for watching. So we are meeting tomorrow 5 p.m. again. So, bye. See you all. Take care and be positive and do submit your assignments today before 5 p.m. Bye. Thank you so much.